Bull's gonna try to take care of that tree for us. Pop her right in the center. Ordinarily, our first instinct would all be to try to pop right over this tree because it wasn't that ridiculously big, but when you're talking about a incline that is as steep as this one is, with the snow on it, it's actually a lot steeper than it looks on camera. Y'all know how that goes. But the four-seater was the only one we were comfortable with, trying to huck it over that tree, not go rolling into a smash oblivion. It didn't snap, but you walked over it pretty good. Third obsession versus tree, round 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pull a little more. Pull a little more if you can. Hey, you know, I try not to get too bossy. It's just that everybody appreciates the guy with the camera doing absolutely nothing to help, barking out orders all the time. So, you know, I try to accommodate that. We can get around that now. That's good. Oh, move. No, you're good. It started coming. You might want to move up to the left just a little bit because it started sliding. It started sliding down the hill. The tree did. Yeah, just in case she goes a little bit. I want her to come down and hit your razor. Turn left just a little bit. Yeah. We good. Well, now he's just showing off, running away with it. Where are you going? The cave? Woo! Onward and downward now. The conditions of the day here were really putting the dirt commanders to the test because this was super slick, super steep descent. These are those times where I actually really like the active descent control on the Sportsman because it saves your brakes, lets you walk down the hill pretty easily. It doesn't allow the tires to lock up. Like your brakes tend to lock the tires up a little bit and then you start to slide sideways. With the active descent control you don't really get that, so it works out pretty good, and those dirt commanders were hooking up just right today. Little snow day out at Blue Holler. Too cold for anybody else to come in. Look who showed up. Old Brent with the brand new XP 1000 Premium Edition. He didn't bring it though. Too cold, so he brought the 2017 General 1000. It's got the heated cab and everything. He's got it snorkeled and all that stuff, but this is a nice little rig. Blasting heat like he's in a pickup. Doing pretty good on the trails too. I guess if you got to have a second option, you might as well have a heated one.
That's right. Too cold.
Man, guys in four-seaters always trying to show out here. Kind of makes you feel good when every once in a while they get one of these little pucker situations there. Uh-oh. Hold up! That sounded like an axle. I think he broke an axle. He's at a very awkward angle.
Got it backed up there.
Might hook that winch up.
Good.
Yeah.
You got a very good slide.
What you need, bud?
Oh, perfect.
Perfect. Damn. You nailed that. I think he got that front left axle pop. It's clicking. Or is that the brake?
Well, the left front tire was still pulling when he tried to pull up a second ago.
Oh, that's good.
You got it, JR.
Brent, did you break some? Brent, did you break some?
What?
Did you break some?
Nothing I know of.
Okay, we heard a pop. You want me to check your axles?
I know the left front one was still good. You gonna try it again, or?
Oh no, he's pulling.
What?
You're good.
You're good. You're good, you're pulling.
Come up and pop down on that rock. It's wanting to throw me sideways.
Yeah, it is.
If it's staying straight.
Hey, that's some pudding.
Man, what kind of tires are those? Those are awesome.
Yeah, not.
Hi, JR.
The bull himself. Hit that skinny pedal, buddy. Oh my God, that's nothing. That's nothing for a four-seater, shit. That hill don't get any easier up there either. All shapes and sizes.
You said you had 4 beds. How about this one crash?
Snap the axle shaft. You can see where it should be going up in on that side. This side and the rear. Yeah, his front tires were pulling, but that sucker's back end heavy.
Wow. We should get a little mud on it. You want us to make revving noise? Watch your door do.
Oh crap.
Oh, at least the dogs are back.
Good old geometry. I'm glad I didn't get those radials, man. The all-purpose definitely. Of course, it helps if you have 4 working axles.
That's right.